मेरा नाम असद लतीफ़ है। मैं आखन यूनिवर्सिटी के हवाले से सबको खुशामदीद कहता हूँ। एंड we're going to start the critical care course for COVID-19. Um, the COVID pandemic has really strained healthcare systems across the world. पाकिस्तान इनमें शामिल है, जहाँ 20,000 मरीज हो चुके हैं। हमें अंदाज़ा है फ्रॉम लिटरेचर के इनसे 5 से 10% को आईसीयू की ज़रूरत होती है। और जिस रफ्तार से पाकिस्तान में बढ़ रहा है, some estimates go in the hundreds of thousands. तो इसके लिहाज से हमें tens of thousands of ICU level patients आएंगे. Fortunately, the government and the healthcare sector has tried their best to respond, and they have done a fairly successful job. People have invested in the infrastructure, ICU के बेडों में, ventilators के अंदर और बहुत सारी चीज़ों के अंदर investment हुई है। लेकिन एक चीज़ जिसके अंदर इन्वेस्टमेंट मुश्किल होती है in terms of time limit is human resources. And recognizing this, the Akhan University has partnered with the government of Sindh and Dow University to help increase this very precious resource, human resource. So उसके लिए for critically ill patients, we work together to develop this curriculum to help train people for ICU care, specifically ICU care in the public sector. Now, this will be all kinds of healthcare providers. इसका पहला मरहला हो चुका है COVID, which has really dealt with general COVID patients जो आजकल सबको देखने को मिल रहे हैं। इस सीरीज के अंदर जो आज शुरू हो रही है, for the next 2 weeks, we will be talking about patients in the ICU and focusing particularly on physicians. In our partnership, we will also continue teaching nurses who work in the ICU and inshallah paramedical staff in the ICU and develop courses which will be rolling out in the next weeks. Again, for the next 2 weeks, we'll be focusing on physicians who will be working in the ICU often for the first time. And this is a very key demographic because people who have not worked in the ICU can get worried, can be out of their element, and the entire intention of this course is to help make sure that they're familiar with the environment and also are able to work comfortably in it so that they know what they know and can maximize most of their skills. The intention is not to develop people who are intensivists, but rather help develop physicians who are comfortable in the ICU and know what they know and when to ask for help. Hopefully, this will dovetail into further work that we have agreed to help the government with, such as helping consult for specific ICU patients. Any such effort is not possible alone. While I have the pleasure of sitting in front of everybody to talk about it and introduce this course, I'm surrounded by colleagues that you can see on camera and off camera who are within the institution of Afan and within the largest public sector university in Sindh, Dow University. And also many colleagues that are off screen and behind the scenes in terms of my fellow course directors, Dr. Mohammed Suhaib, Dr. Amber Saveen, and Dr. Farjad Sultan, and also in terms of our compatriots within the government of Sindh. With that, we're looking forward to a very exciting time over the next 2 weeks. We'll have some exciting lectures from some leading authorities within the field. We'll also have time for question and answer sessions at the end. With that, I'm actually going to turn over to my friend and colleague and senior, Dr. Adil Heather, who's the Dean of Akhan University and who has taken the lead in making sure that AKU is at the forefront of these sort of partnerships and able to help others. Dr. Heather.
Yeah. Assalamu alaikum and welcome to the Aga Khan University. I am so thrilled कि मैं आपको यहाँ पे वेलकम कर सकूँ। काश कि आप यहाँ पे हमारे सामने हमारे ऑडिटोरियम में होते, मगर अब हमें ये ऑफ कोर्स वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंस के थ्रू करना पड़ रहा है। बहुत हम एक्साइटेड हैं कि माशाल्लाह लास्ट नाइट तक more than 1800 participants have registered for this course। यानी कि ये बहुत ही ज़बरदस्त बात है। 1800 हेल्थ केयर वर्कर्स हैं जिसमें डॉक्टर्स भी हैं और नर्स कॉलीग्स भी हैं और other respiratory therapists and other specialists who work in the ICU। इनमें से तकरीबन 900 जो हैं आप में से are from our public sector colleagues और ये गवर्नमेंट ऑफ सिंध के साथ हम ये मिल के ये कोर्स कर रहे हैं और उनके साथ हमारा MOU साइन हुआ है और हम ये कोर्स इसलिए फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट आगा खान यूनिवर्सिटी बनाना चाह रहा था फॉर सिंध एंड द रेस्ट ऑफ पाकिस्तान और पूरे पाकिस्तान से लोगों ने हमें ज्वाइन किया है। We also have colleagues from East Africa, the Aga Khan University East Africa. Welcome to all of you, and we're so grateful to have you. And most importantly, we're grateful to have our colleagues from the other universities in Pakistan and the Pakistan Society of Anesthesiologists, Pakistan Society of Critical Care, and मेरे साथ जैसे कि बैठे हैं Dr. Safiya Zafar, who's the Chief of Critical Care at Dow University. ये सब मिल के हम करना चाहते हैं ताकि हम मिल के जो कोविड का पैंडेमिक है उसका हम सामना कर सकें. तो ये जो हम कोर्स है ये 2 हफ्ते चलेगा, जैसे कि डॉक्टर असद लतीफ़ ने बताया. इससे पहले 2 हफ्ते तक हमने एक और कोर्स चलाया था कोविनार के नाम से, और वो कोविनार जो है वो भी अगर आपको उसके देखने हैं वो बेसिक कोविड मैनेजमेंट पे है. अगर उसकी कोई आपको प्रेजेंटेशंस देखनी है वो सारी की सारी ऑनलाइन फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट इजीली अवेलेबल हैं. सिर्फ गूगल में डाल दें आगा खान यूनिवर्सिटी कोविनार, वो फेसबुक के ऊपर सारी लगी हुई है, आराम से आपको 2 सेकंड में मिल जाएंगी. Now the most important thing after doing this course is afterwards कि क्या होगा. इंशाल्लाह आप ये कोर्स करेंगे और उसके बाद जो है you will be in the ICU. मगर ये हो सकता है कि आपने ये कोर्स में कुछ चीज़ें सीखी हों but you haven't done it before. इसलिए हमने एक टेली ICU कंसल्ट सर्विस भी बना रहे हैं. इंशाल्लाह ताला जब ये कोर्स when the course finishes by next week, we will also be giving you information on how you can call our control center here at Aga Khan University 24/7 and get a consult, speak to an ICU expert. आप फोन पे बात करें, ICU expert को आप थोड़ा information दीजिएगा, वो आपको advice दे सकते हैं. They can also take information, patient record and so on, and give you a full consult on suggestions of what you're doing and how you can manage your patient. So that is going to be the next step here. Again, best of luck to everybody in the course, and I want to thank all the colleagues who worked so hard to put this together. Will Fasoos, of course, our chair of the department, Dr. Asad Latif, who of course is a very well-known critical care specialist around the world. उन्होंने माशाल्लाह Johns Hopkins से पढ़ा है और वहाँ सारा काम किया है. इनके साथ of course their course directors, Dr. Mohammed Shoaib, Dr. Amber Sabeen, Dr. Farjad Sultan, and of course Dr. Afia Zafar,